Some places just smell like the sea. The scent is unmistakable, salty, fresh, and tinged with the promise of adventure. It clings to your clothes, fills your lungs, and instantly transports you to the water's edge, even if you're standing deep inside a bustling city. Busan, on South Korea's southeastern coast, is one of them. Here, the ocean is never far away, and its presence is woven into the city's very identity. The coastline stretches for miles, dotted with harbors, piers, and the constant movement of ships. This city thrives on the ocean's bounty, its life pulsing with the tides and fishing fleets. Every morning the docks come alive with fishermen unloading their catch, and the markets buzz with the energy of buyers and sellers. Seafood isn't just a product here, it's a way of life, a tradition passed down through generations. Hidden in Busan are the true engines of the global seafood trade, massive factories like Dakang Suzan. These industrial giants operate behind the scenes, quietly powering the city's economy and connecting Busan to dinner tables around the world. Here, the mighty tuna is transformed, not in a market, but in an industrial powerhouse. Each fish is handled with care and precision as workers and machines work in harmony to prepare them for their next journey. The air is cool, thick with brine, and the hum of machinery blends with the slap of fish on steel. Conveyor belts whir, knives flash, and steam rises from the processing lines, creating a symphony of industry that never truly stops. This is where the journey from ocean to dinner plate begins for thousands of tuna. Each fish is carefully unloaded, inspected, and sent down the line, starting a process that will end in kitchens and restaurants across the globe. As one of the world's busiest ports, Busan is the perfect gateway for freezer ships to unload their catch. The port never sleeps, with cranes swinging overhead and containers stacked high, all working in sync to keep the seafood moving. These ships arrive with holds packed with tuna, frozen solid to lock in freshness. The fish are preserved at sea, ensuring that when they reach the factory, they're as fresh as the moment they were caught. The factory is a well-oiled machine, ready to receive and process these ocean giants. Every step is carefully choreographed, from unloading to cutting, packaging, and shipping, with efficiency and quality at the forefront. Seasoned workers and modern machines work side by side, blending tradition with technology. Their expertise ensures that every tuna is processed to perfection, meeting the highest standards for markets worldwide. The human touch ensures every cut is right, while machines handle the heavy lifting. It's a delicate balance, one that honors the skill of the workers and the power of innovation. This factory is a testament to human ingenuity, where food becomes industry, and industry feeds the world. From the heart of Busan, the story of the sea continues, carried by every tuna that leaves these doors, destined to nourish people far beyond these shores. To truly understand what happens inside these walls, you have to think in numbers, and those numbers are nothing short of staggering. This is not just a factory, it's a finely tuned machine, operating on a scale that's hard to imagine. Every month, this facility processes around 11,000 tuna, each one carefully accounted for as it moves through the system. That's about 20 tons of fish moving through these doors every single day, an unending stream of seafood that never seems to slow down. To put that in perspective, imagine the weight of 10 full-sized cars, handled daily from sunrise to sunset by teams of skilled workers. Each fish is tracked from the moment it arrives. It's thawed, cut, cleaned, and packaged with a level of precision that leaves little room for error. Every step is monitored, ensuring nothing is wasted and quality is never compromised. Efficiency is everything here. A single delay or mistake can disrupt the entire line, causing a ripple effect that impacts the whole operation. That's why workers and managers have spent years perfecting a system that keeps the tuna moving smoothly, from one station to the next, like clockwork. The tuna themselves are massive, often weighing hundreds of pounds. Handling them requires strength, skill, and teamwork. Each fish is a challenge in its own right. They arrive frozen solid, stacked high on pallets in the cold storage rooms. A true display of the industry's scale and the logistical power needed to keep everything running. It takes a global network of ships, trucks, and people to get these fish from the open ocean to the factory floor. The journey is long, and every step is carefully coordinated. This facility is a crucial stop on that journey, bridging the wild unpredictability of the ocean with the steady, relentless demand of consumers around the world. From high-end restaurants serving delicate sashimi to family tables enjoying a simple tuna salad, people everywhere crave the rich flavor and versatility of tuna. To meet this insatiable demand, factories like this must run at peak capacity, day in and day out, with little room for downtime. Without their relentless efficiency and dedication, the global supply of high-quality tuna would look very different. Markets would be emptier and prices much higher. Here, the raw power and unpredictability of the ocean is tamed, transformed, and prepared for us to enjoy, one fish at a time, on a truly massive scale. Each tuna's journey in the factory starts with a bath, a crucial first step in transforming a frozen catch into a culinary masterpiece. But this isn't just any ordinary bath. It's a carefully engineered process, designed to preserve the delicate texture and flavor of the prized fish. Arriving at the plant rock solid and encased in ice, the tuna must be thawed with precision before any further processing can begin. Workers use cranes or team up to hoist these massive fish into enormous vats, filled with circulating temperature-controlled water, ensuring every part of the tuna is evenly exposed. Thawing is a delicate science. Too fast, and the flesh loses its prized texture. Too slow, and harmful bacteria could begin to grow, risking the quality and safety of the fish. That's why experts are always on hand, monitoring the process closely. They use their experience and sense of touch to judge when each fish is perfectly thawed. For the largest tuna, this process can take several hours, requiring patience and constant vigilance from the team. As the ice melts away, the tuna's sleek, powerful form gradually reappears, washed clean of frost and ready for the next step. Workers check the firmness of each fish, ensuring that the thawing is even and that the texture is just right, neither too soft nor still icy at the core. This hands-on process demands years of experience and a keen eye, because no naid in nature to the native or sabbated burrow size de nuisance, seen minutes, the tuna are exactly alike, each one requires individual attention. Once the experts are satisfied, the tuna is lifted from the water, gleaming and pristine, ready to move on to the next stage of its journey. The transformation from a frozen block of ice to a formidable, fresh-looking fish is now complete, a testament to the skill and care of the workers. The great thaw unlocks the potential inside, revealing the vibrant color and texture that chefs and diners around the world prize. With the thawing complete, the real work of transforming this magnificent fish into a delicacy can finally begin. Now, the real action starts. The butchering station. Workers, armed with knives and bandsaws, break the fish down fast. First, the head, tail and fins are removed with precision and speed. The bandsaw slices through bone and flesh in seconds. It's a display of brute force and skill, preserving the valuable main body. Even the discarded parts have value. Heads and tails become broths. Collars are prized for grilling. Every part is considered, nothing wasted if it can be helped. With the head, tail, and fins gone, what's left is a massive cylinder of pure muscle. This is where the most valuable cuts are found. Deep red akami and marbled toro. The fish is now ready to be split open and filleted. The rough work is done. The essential part moves down the line. This step prepares the tuna for the delicate work ahead. It's a primal, purposeful process. The transformation continues. After the breakdown, the tuna torso moves to the filleting station. Here, true artistry emerges as butchers separate meat from bone, yielding 4 boneless loins. Long, razor-sharp knives glide through the fish, guided by years of experience. The process starts with a precise incision along the spine, then careful separation of flesh from bone. Strength and finesse are both required. The goal is minimal waste. A skilled butcher can remove a loin in a single clean piece. Different grades of meat appear. Lean akami from the top, fatty toro from the belly. Each section is handled with care to preserve quality. Once the loins are removed, the skeleton is set aside. Scraps will be used elsewhere. Filleting is the heart of the operation, transforming whole fish into prized cuts. It's a display of skill and efficiency. The treasure inside the tuna is revealed. The loins aren't ready yet. They need skinning and trimming. Workers, sometimes aided by machines, remove the tough silvery skin in one smooth motion. Next, they trim away dark, blood-rich muscle and any imperfections. This meticulous process ensures only the purest, best-tasting meat remains. The shape of each loin is perfected for easy slicing and portioning. Trimmings are collected for other products, minimizing waste. The result, a pristine, trimmed loin, deep in color and ready for final transformation. Purification and perfection. preparing tuna for its final presentation. Now, the trimmed loins become the products we recognize. Some are cut into saku blocks for chefs, others into steaks or smaller blocks for home cooks. Precision is key. Specialized machines and skilled hands ensure uniform slices. Presentation matters. Sashimi trays are arranged with care, highlighting color and grain. Different cuts, akami, chutoro, otoro, are separated and packaged for various markets. From a single fish, dozens of products are created, maximizing value. Whether for a restaurant or a family meal, it all starts here at the slicing station. The final form is expertly crafted. With the tuna cut, the race against time begins. Freshness is everything. On the packaging line, blocks, steaks and slices are vacuum sealed to lock in quality. Machines remove air and seal packages in seconds, preserving color and flavor. Each package is labeled with cut type, weight and dates. Many products are blast frozen, locking in freshness with minimal cell damage. Frozen packages are boxed, palletized and loaded onto refrigerated trucks. From here they travel to markets, restaurants and homes worldwide. The journey from ocean giant to consumer product is complete. The packaging line is the final guardian of quality. This factory is more than a place where fish is cut. It's an economic engine. Hundreds of skilled jobs support families and the local economy. Industrial-scale processing keeps seafood accessible and prices stable. The factory ensures a reliable supply of tuna year-round regardless of fishing seasons. Its impact ripples outward. Logistics, packaging, equipment and fishing fleets all depend on it. The entire supply chain is interconnected with the factory at its heart. Next time you enjoy tuna, remember the journey. From deep sea to industrial powerhouse to your plate. It's a story of skill, machinery, and logistics. These places are a testament to our ability to feed a hungry planet. It's not just about fish, it's about people, communities, and the world of food.